everyone and welcome to my 5-minute makeup look. This is typically what I do every day when I need to get out the door and I need to look fresh and presentable, you know, whenever I'm running errands or going for coffee or anything like that, and I want to be quick, last minute kind of thing. This is what I gravitate towards. Now, I film on my iPhone, so I can't time this, so feel free to time it yourselves. I might be off a minute or two, but typically it's a fast makeup for me. I hope you enjoy this and see you later. I always start with my eyebrows because, you know, it's just the easiest to do. And I know they are diabolical right now, so they really need to be done. I'm doing them this week. I fill them in when they're really like bear-like like this, just with one of these. And I just literally place that over and just blend in. It just makes things really easy. Oh, by the way, I have got Complexion Rescue on, but I class that as part of my skincare, so that's on already. So I've got the Complexion Rescue on. Then I go over the other eyebrow. It just helps to kind of get the shape really quickly, and it also just helps to kind of tidy them up a bit. I'm using, it's by Beautiful Brows. I love this stuff, especially if it's a light day look and I don't want anything too sort of, you know, too strong. So it's quite a light powder, so I like it for that. So I do my eyebrows. There we go. Then I go in with concealer and I use Bareminerals Well Rested. And I just tap some into the lid like this, use a flat brush, tap that, and just place it under my eye, and I kind of bring it down. I go under the other eye and bring it down. Take it around the nose. I also take it onto the eyelids because it just helps to kind of neutralize any of those red tones. You can go sort of down the forehead just to brighten up a bit. Around the nose. Basically in the center of the face, so anywhere you kind of want to highlight. Then I go in with Bareminerals. This is the jumbo one in medium beige, and I've really been enjoying applying it with the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. This just gets the job done quick, and I just kind of brush it on and then rub it in. And I love this because it gets right into the nose area, the crevice, and I just buff that on. Spread it on. Tap around there just to get any other bits out. Bring it around the edges here, down my neck. Do the forehead. Thing is with this jumbo one, you don't know, you end up putting a bit more than you normally do because it's just so big. You're like, oh, I don't know how to sort of measure it out properly. So you want to do the forehead. This just, and anywhere else, if you want to go over, you can. But this brush just makes life so easy. Oh my God, I just sounded like I was underwater. Boop, boop, boop. It makes life super duper easy. So, once I've got this on, and I've used every little bit because I do not like to waste, bopping the camera, I do not like to waste, you know, so I just kind of rub my brush around in the corners to get the corners and just go around the nose area and the edges, the bits that you might not get. Oakley dokley. Then I go in with my bronzer, and I like to use, it's Bareminerals, it's called A Little Sun Matte. This is similar to Warmth, but a bit more kind of terracotta colour. It's kind of quite brick red, but it's lovely because it actually makes you look like you've got a suntan, like a natural suntan. I'm using my little Real Techniques powder brush. This is the sort of pocket version. And I kind of just do a 3 like this, but can you see, look at that, I just kind of, I put the smallest amount, but I just keep buffing that in, and I get, kind of go over the nose, and I get this kind of like, it's almost like I said, a sunburn, but really natural. I go into the creases of my eye, tips of my nose, under the chin, a bit kind of down here, just so it's all kind of even. Okay. Then for blush, I'm using the Bareminerals Ready Blush in Aphrodite. This was one of my favourites for many years. And I use the same brush because I love it. And I just smile, put it on the apples of my cheek. There we go, there we go. Lovely jubbly. Then to set everything, I go in with my Bareminerals Bare Skin Perfecting Veil in medium. I love this stuff. I have hit pan. That is a miracle for me. I love this stuff. Oh my God. And this just kind of like takes down any sort of shine or any sort of like glow that you don't want. Mascara, Lash Total Temptation. I am really liking this mascara. It is just divine. I was considering cutting this bit out, but I kind of wanted it in case you were timing it, so you know. The mascara is what takes a long time for me. But I like this because it just kind of gives you that wide awake look. You know. That'll do, you know. Right, love that. If I've got longer, then I'll take longer doing it. Right, and then for lips, I'm going in with Hourglass, and this is the Nude Stylo in Nude 4. I love this stuff. Again, you don't need a gloss or anything. And then I go over with a lip liner, and it's the Bobbi Brown Lip Pencil in Cocoa. And there you have it. 5-minute face, you're out the door. Fantastic. This is what I do most days. It's really quick, it's really easy. I feel fresh, I feel put together, and I feel nice and natural. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and let me know about your natural or your 5-minute face. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.